Hi, how are you guys? I'm going to make okonomiyaki. I'm using tofu, so the butter is right, and when you're cooking okonomiyaki, you can hear it sizzling. Top with okonomiyaki sauce and the Kewpie mayonnaise, your mouth will be watering. Bonito dashi stock powder you can buy at the Woolworths or Asian shops. Otafuku or Bulldog okonomiyaki sauce and the Kewpie mayonnaise you can buy from Asian shops or Woolworths. Chop 150 grams of cabbage. Chop 100 grams of bean shoot. Chop 30 grams of spring onion. Making okonomiyaki batter. Break up 150 grams of tofu and add it into a blender. Crack an egg into a bowl. Don't crack your egg direct into the blender because sometimes you will find egg is off and your tofu will be ruined. Pour the egg into the blender. Add the 80 ml of water. Blend until smooth. Hundred grams of plain flour. Add 1 teaspoon of Bonito dashi stock powder. Pour the tofu mixture into a bowl. Add the flour mix into the bowl and mix well. Add the chopped cabbage. Add the rest of chopped vegetable and mix well. Heat up a fry pan to between mid and high. Add half tablespoon of rice oil and spread the oil with paper. Add half of the okonomiyaki batter, spread it out, and cook for 3 minutes. Three minutes later, add the sliced pork on the top of the okonomiyaki. Turn the okonomiyaki over using 2 spatulas. Using 2 spatulas, it's easy to turn over. Cook the pork until a light brown color. Turn the okonomiyaki over again, cover, and steam bake for 2 or 3 minutes. Check the bottom of the okonomiyaki and, if you need to, reduce the heat. Remove the lid and turn the heat off. Place the okonomiyaki on your plate and top with okonomiyaki sauce and Kewpie mayonnaise. Garnish with red pickled ginger or kimchi if you like. If you can get okonomiyaki sauce, mix barbecue, tomato, and usushi sauce together. You can also use prawn, squid, or both instead of pork. If you are cooking for more than one, you can use an electric fry pan or hot plate. So, enjoy and make your style of okonomiyaki. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.